Let me show you how to solve this kind of math question on the board. The question says, find the half of 8 raised to the power of 50. If you want to solve this question correctly, first of all, you need to understand that to get half of anything, you have to divide it by 2. So the first thing to do is to divide this by 2. So this is the solution. We have 8 raised to the power of 50, then we're going to divide it by 2. Now, how do we proceed from here? This 8 here, we need to rewrite this 8 in exponential form so that it will be in base 2. 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 3. Why? Because 2 times 2 times 2 into 3 places will give us this 8. So in place of this 8, we are going to write 2 raised to the power of 3. So we have 2 raised to the power of 3 in place of this 8. Then raised to the power of this 50. Then all over this 2. This will give us, because this 2 here is raised to more than 1 power, we are going to multiply the powers together. This is in accordance with power law of indices, which states that if a number is raised to more than 1 power, that the powers should be multiplied together. So we are going to multiply these powers now. So we are going to have 2 raised to the power of 3 times 50 will give us 150. Then all over this 2 here. If you look at this 2 here doesn't have any visible power. There is no, you can't see any power here. According to no power law of indices, if a number is without a visible power, the power is 1. So because this 2 doesn't have any visible power, it means the power is 1. Now we are going to apply division law of indices here because the bases are the same. According to division law, when dividing numbers with equal bases, we should pick one of the bases. So we are going to pick one of this, which is 2. Then we subtract, use the first power to minus the second power. So we have the first power, which is 150, minus the second power, which is 1. We do the subtraction. We are going to have 2 raised to the power of 150 minus 1 will give us 149. And this is the answer to this question.